our pleasure to take you on a tour of the 2020 Essex Luxury Motor Coach. With rich appointments and remarkable craftsmanship, Essex has more than earned its spot among the world's most impressive residential motorhomes. We'll begin our tour in the cockpit, where each trip begins with a push of the ignition button. The cockpit is outfitted with all the features and amenities you'd expect in a coach of this caliber, like heated captain's chairs with a queen-size passenger seat with a workstation and dedicated navigation screen. For the ultimate in relaxation, you may select the optional massage feature. You'll also find a modern digital cockpit display, a wireless charging station, a side and tri-view rear camera display, and dual-color monitors with Rand McNally navigation, which provides turn-by-turn directions for worry-free travel. 11 custom-tuned speakers are connected to a JBL audio system, allowing you to enjoy crystal-clear sound no matter what you're listening to. The 2020 Essex comes equipped with a long list of cutting-edge safety features, offering you peace of mind on any journey. This includes electronic stability control, on-guard collision mitigation technology, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and a tire pressure monitoring system. And each Essex offers an SUV-like driving experience, courtesy of standard Comfort Drive adaptive steering with passive steer technology. Moving into Essex's living room, we find a space that's as elegant as it is comfortable. Here, we see floor plan 4569, adorned with our beautiful Winchester decor fabrics and furnished with powered theater seating opposite a hide-a-bed sofa. Numerous additional furniture options are available too, such as a pair of recliners with a lampstand and reading lights. And all of Essex's furniture is covered in ultra-leather fabric, ensuring lasting beauty. The living room also boasts special touches, like designer wall sconces, textured fabric window treatments, multi-dimensional carved hardwood slide-out fascia, and a designer feature ceiling. In addition, the oversized non-opening windows let in plenty of natural light. In the 2020 Essex, you'll find a complement of entertainment options that make it easy to enjoy your favorite shows and movies. A retractable Samsung 4K LED TV is connected to a Blu-ray DVD player and a Bose SoundTouch 300 soundbar with Bluetooth compatibility. A Wi-Fi signal booster and an additional overhead-mounted TV also come standard. 3 heat pump central air conditioners help maintain your ideal temperature, and the heated high-polish porcelain plank tile flooring keeps you cozy in cooler weather. Now let's take a look into the Essex kitchen, which is outfitted with our stunning high-gloss ginger-glazed maple hardwood cabinetry. For a residential feel, you'll find a pull-out pantry and soft-close cabinet doors and drawers. The super-polished, solid-surface countertops are highlighted by hand-laid backsplash. Essex boasts an appliance suite that any chef would envy. Here, we see a Whirlpool French door refrigerator with wood paneling, a GE convection microwave, a recessed induction cooktop, and a Delta Touch 2.0 touchless faucet. At mealtime, you'll love the available Villa dinette seen here, which also offers generous storage drawers beneath each seat. Next, we enter floor plan 4569's midship half bathroom, which features both medicine and linen cabinets as well as an eye-catching backsplash. It's perfect for hosting guests or when you simply need extra space. In Essex's master suite, discover a king-size bed that's topped with a Sleep Number adjustable mattress and an ultra-soft throw blanket. Flanking the bed are 2 nightstands, each equipped with a wireless charging mat to ensure your devices are ready to use. Entertainment is at your fingertips with the Samsung 4K LED TV, Blu-ray DVD player, and Bose Bluetooth-compatible soundbar. Opposite the foot of the bed, a spacious dresser offers storage for your belongings in its hardwood drawers. In the master bathroom, you'll find appointments like an Aquamizer shower system, tile accents, a fold-down shower seat, and built-in soap dispensers. Here, we see the spacious 40 by 40-inch glass door shower and twin sink vanity found in floor plan 4569. 2 wardrobes are found on the rear wall, and a 2-piece stacked washer and dryer is conveniently tucked away in a cabinet. For 2020, Essex is available in 7 floor plans, each 45 feet in length. Today, we've been touring floor plan 4569, which measures 44 feet and 10 inches in length, and features 3 power slide-outs, including a full wall slide. For 2020, Essex is built exclusively on a Spartan K3 chassis with a steerable tag axle. A Cummins 605 horsepower engine comes standard. Welded to the chassis is our Star Foundation, a steel superstructure that adds support and promises a quiet ride. Our exclusive full-paint masterpiece finish adorns each Essex and is seen here in Winchester. It's made possible by BASF and industrial finishes. Essex offers generous lit basement storage with power storage trays and power door locks, and a keyless front door entry system with a touchpad enhances security. To help you make the most of outdoor living, 2 Girard integrated power side awnings come standard and are equipped with a wind sensor and LED accent lights. Featuring a Samsung LED TV and Bluetooth-compatible soundbar, the Outdoor Entertainment Center has everything you need to host a tailgate or movie night, and a Dometic pull-out freezer keeps drinks nice and cold. It's all powered by the standard 12.5 kilowatt Cummins Onan diesel generator. On behalf of everyone here at Newmar Corporation, we want to thank you for joining us on this tour of the 2020 Essex. For more information, visit